Okay, let's start with a class of math. Let's continue talking about the first digit class. When we're dividing, it's important to know what is the first digit that we're going to divide. If we don't identify the first digit, it's going to be a wrong answer. If we don't identify correctly, the first digit is going to be a wrong answer. So it's important for you to know and be sure that the first digit, what is going to be the first digit? So let's continue practicing about this. In page 183, we have the first exercise that it says share and show. And it says there is a problem here. There are 452 pictures of dogs in 4 equal groups. How many pictures are in each group? That is a question. Explain how you can use place value to place the first digit in the quotient. So now, as you can notice, the important information, it's already here. 452 pictures of dogs in 4 equal groups. That's why we're going to divide 452 divided by 4. The pictures into 4 equal groups to get the quotient, to get the answer. How many pictures there will be. Now, what is the first digit class that we're going to divide here? 452 divided by 4. What is the first digit?
The 4.
The 4, that's right. So the first digit, it's on the 100. So it's going to be this 4 class. Remember, we can divide 4 divided by 4. Yes, we can. So 400, they can be shared into 4 groups. So it's possible for us to divide. So the first digit is going to be hundreds. Let's write this answer here before we continue. So 400, let's copy this, can be shared. These 400s can be shared among the 4 groups. It can be shared among the 4 groups. So the first digit, it's on the hundreds. That's going to be, copy this. Yes, copy this, Santiago Chavez. So that is the explanation because it says, explain how you can use the place value to place the first digit in the quotient. We know that 400s can be divided into 4 equal groups. So it's possible to share these 4 into 4. So 4, it's gonna be the first digit. The first digit that we are going to divide into 4 groups. Finish to copy this part. Did you finish? No?
No. What is the page?
Page 183. Page 183 class, that is the page.
Finish. Finish, miss.
Finished?
No.
Okay, now let's continue here. We have 452 divided by 4. We know that 4 can be divided by 4. Now, 4 divided by 4 class, what is the answer of 4 divided by 4?
1.
1, that's right. Why 1? 4 times 1 equals 4. So we write 1. Look where I'm writing the 1. It's going to be up of number 4 that it's on the 100 because that is the number that I'm dividing right now. So 4 times 1 equals 4. So I write down of the 4, the 4 of the answer of the multiplication. Remember that we subtract 400 minus 400 equal to 4 minus 4.
0.
0, that's right, it's 0. You have 4 and you subtract 4, you have 0. Now, what is the next digit? The first digit is the 400. Now, we can put down now the number 5. That is going to be the next digit. So we write down the number 5. And we have 5 tens now. Can we divide 5 by 4? Yes, we can divide 5 into 4 equal groups. Maybe. So what is the answer of this? We say again, 4 times 1. 4 times 1 and write number 1 up on number 5 because that is a number that I'm dividing. 4 times 1 equals 4 and I can subtract again. 5 minus 4.
1.
1, excellent. I have 110 here. I have 1. I used just 4 tenths out of 5. So 1 was going to be regrouped as 1s. Now we finished with number 5. Don't forget that we have a number 2 now, 2 1s. So that's going to be the 2 that I'm going to write here. Next to the 1 that it was from that subtraction. And now I copy the number 2 and I have a new number. I have 12. 12 divided by 4.
3.
3. Why 3? 4 times 3 is equal to
0.
So 12, that's right. And if you subtract, it's 0. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Excellent. So here is 0. So I don't have any reminder. I can share these 452 pictures among 4 groups into 113 pictures in each group. So there are going to be 113 pictures in each of these 4 groups, class. That is the answer. The quotient is 113. Did you finish the copy? Any question about this exercise?
Yeah. No.
No. 1 minute, no. 1 minute to finish the copy, class. Then we go to the next one. Now, if they finish, you can start working the next exercise. Today we're going to work in all these exercises in this page. Start working in exercise number 2 and 3 now.
No.
Yes. Remember, it's important to identify the first digit. What is going to be the first digit? Santiago Chavez, did you finish? Anna, you finished? Yes?
I finished.
Gabriela, Fernando, Andrea?
I finished.
Dani, Alberto?
Yes.
Yes. Dani, you have any problem with your video? Okay, let's go to the next slide. All of it finished. Exercise number 2 and number 3 is the same. We're going to divide 116 by 4 and 775 by 5. So let's start with this. What is going to be the first digit of class? In 116.
The
1. Okay, now, can we divide 100 equally among 4 groups?
No,
Oh,
16.
So it's going to be 16. That's right. We're going to use the 2 digits, 16. We're going to use the 1 as, we're going to use the 1 as tens. 100 is going to be regrouped. So 16 divided by 4?
4.
4. Why 4? Look at here. I'm going to write the 4 up on number
Because
6.
4 times 4 are 16 times.
4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, 16 minus 16 now.
Is 0.
0, that's right. And now I need to place down the next digit. What is the next digit?
6. Do all the rows. Le bajan un
It's number 6. If you have a space, yes, complete it. If you don't have a space, well, you're going to write the answer. Now,
Yes.
but it's better that you write everything. Everything, so you know why it is the answer. Now, 6, we put down, and we need to divide 6 divided by 4.
Oh, 0.
0, 6 divided by 4 is 0. 4 times 0 is 6. No.
1.
24. 24.
24.
Why 24?
1.
4 times
1.
1, Hermes. That's right, Hermes. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. So we write down 4 and we say 6 minus 4 equal to
1.
2. That's right. 6 minus 4 equal 2. And that is a reminder. So we have 41 reminder 2. Look at here. Sometimes we are not going to use just the first digit that it's here. We need to check if it can be divided into the groups. 1 cannot be divided into 4 groups. It's impossible. But 16, yes, it can be divided. So I'm going to use 2 digits as 16 to divide it by 4. Now, number 3, we have 775 divided by 5. Can we divide 7 by 5?
No. No.
No? We cannot divide 7 into 5 groups?
Yes. I think
Yes, we can. Because 5 times 1 is equal 5. It's possible. 5 times 1 equals 5. And I said 7 minus 5. I can use the number 7. Even though 2. That's right. Because even though 5 times 1 is 5, not 7, I can subtract 7 minus 5, 2, and continue. Continue working as we know, dividing these numbers. Now I put down the next digit that it's number 7. 7 tens that I have here. So I have a new number. I have 27, and this 27 must be divided by 5.
No.
No, we cannot divide 27 by 5. Think about the table of 5. Which number is close to 27?
5 times 4.
5 times 4? What is the answer? 5 times 4?
5 times 20. 20.
20, 20.
No,
5 times 5?
25. It's 25.
Yes, 5
Yeah.
times 5 is better because it's 25. It's closer than 20. So 25, we're going to subtract this. 27 minus 25. What is the answer, class?
2.
2, that's right. 27 minus 25, it's 2. Do we finish? That is the end or not?
No.
Oh, we haven't finished. What is the next thing? The next digit, look at here. We haven't put it down this 5, so we need to put it down this 5. So we're going to write 5, and we have a number 25. Now, 25 divided by 5.
Is 20.
20.
25 divided by 5.
Divide.
Yes. It's again 5 times 5, right? 5 times 5.
5 times 5, 25.
25. 25 minus 25.
Is 0.
0. Excellent.
0.
So we don't have reminder here. Just 155 is the answer. The quotient. Because we don't have reminder. We don't have reminder. Finished? Questions, class. Questions about number 2 and number 3?
No. No, I don't have something.
Teacher.
Look here, it's important for you to know what is the first digit. In this case, we use 16 because 1 cannot be divided by 4, but 7 can be divided by 5. So we use just the 7. We're not going to use 77, no, because 7 can be divided into 5 groups. And we continue 7 minus 5, 2, and then we start regrouping this. Putting down. If you can draw this arrow, it's better so you know that you are using all the digits, because here you can get confused. You say, oh, this is the 5. This is the 5 here right now. This 25, it's because 5 times 5 is 25. So it's better for you to draw or use a different color to write this, Okay, yesterday we have an exercise. Okay, at the end, we're going to try to check that exercise, Isabella. Okay, now let's go to next page. Then next exercises that it's 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to work in all these exercises class in this page. Page 183 is the page that we're going to work today. Now let's go to next one. Number 4, work by yourself class. Find the answer of 284 divided by 4. Santiago Chavez, you finished?
Miss, I have a question.
Tell me.
In the field work is 4 divided by 284. And you can divide 4 divided by 8.
Okay, good question. We have 284 divided by 4. Can we divide these 2? Remember that first digit is going to be this 2, not the 4. No,
We have to use 28.
28, so we're going to divide 28 by 4. What is the answer for 28 divided by 4?
2.
2? 4 times 2 is 28?
Yes.
No.
No.
No, 4.
It's
4
times
2 is
4
8.
times 7. What is the answer 4 times 7?
28.
28. 28 minus 28?
0.
0. And now we put down the number 4, right?
It's 4.
And 4 divided by 4?
4 divided by 4. 8.
4 times 8 is 4? Ooh. 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4.
16.
4 times 1, 4. And 4 minus 4? 0. That is the answer. 71 is the answer. That is the quotient class. 71.
Okay. Thank you. And the second one, ¿sí lo podemos dividir?
Can we divide 3 by 5?
No.
No, so you're going to use 39, Khalid. 39 divided by 5.
No.
In the table of 5, think about one number that is 39 or close.
24.
5 times 8.
5 times 8?
Oh, 5 times
No, it's 5 times 7. 5 times 7.
5 times 7. 0. Yes, 5 times 7. That's right, Rebecca. Sian. Why? Because 5 times 8 is 40, so it's more. But 5 times 7 is less. It's 35, as you said. So we're going to subtract 39 minus 35. And we subtract this. $39 minus 35.
Sorry?
4, that's right, Sian, 4. And now we put down the next 4, the 4 that is on the 1. So we write it down.
That is
This
5. Miss, that is 5. It's 5.
8.
It's 5.
It's 8. 5 times 8. What is the answer? 5 times 8.
40.
40. That's right. So 44 minus 40.
8, 0.
4.
4.
4. That's right. 4. Can we divide 4 into 5 groups?
No.
No. So that is a reminder. 78. Reminder 4. Excellent.
Miss, pero no, eso no era 5.
Okay, 39
4.
minus 35, it's 4. It's 4, not 5. You can count backwards. 38, 37, 36, 35, 4.
Ya entendí. Entonces, debo decir que a 9 le quito 5. Ya entendí, lo hice mal, ya lo hice al revés. A 5, ve, a 9 le quito 4. Entonces me dio 5.
Yes, but it's 9 minus 5, so it's 4. 3 minus 3 equals...
Miss.
Yo lo hice al revés.
Tell me, Fernando.
Look. I don't have a space for
Okay,
exercise.
If you don't have a space, just write the answer. It's okay, class. Or you can use a different page of paper if you have with you, but just write the answer if you can do it. Don't worry. Now, let's go to next one, class. Number 6. What we're going to do in number 6, divide 465 divided by 3. What is going to be the first digit?
And 3 times 4.
Yes, number 4 is going to be divided by 3. By 3. So we divide, the first digit is going to be 4 divided by 3.
I think are 3 times 3.
Okay, 3 times 1 is equal to what?
No,
To a 3.
To 3, that's right. So we can divide it. 4 minus 3?
¿Por dónde?
5.
¿Por el 3 o por el 4?
5.
A ver, Miss.
That is the next exercise, number 3, number 6. So we say 4 minus 3 is equal 1. And now we put down number 6.
Miss, ¿y qué por dónde va a dividir?
What we're going to divide, Khaled? 465 divided by 3. Remember, we start with the 4.
Okay.
The 4 is going to be divided into 3 groups. Now, number 6 is going to be down, and we have 16. We need to divide this 16 into 3 groups. Think about the table of 3. One number that is 16 or close to 16.
3
times 5. That's right. 3 times 5 is?
5. 6. 1.
It's 15. And if we subtract 16 minus 15 equal 1. That's right. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we need to put down over 5 here. The next 5, we need to write it down. And we have 15 into 3 groups. $15 divided by 3, class. It's going to be again 3 times 5 equal 15. So we say 15 minus 15, class. The answer is 0. 15 minus 15, 0. That's right. Working number 7, class. 272 divided by 8. Can we divide this 2 by 8? Just the 2? By 8? We cannot divide it. So we're going to say 27 divided by 8. 27 divided by 8. In the table of 8, think about one number that it's 27 or close. 8 times 3. What is the answer of 8 times 3?
24.
24. So 27 minus 24
Equal to
2 or 3?
3.
Now we put down number 2. That's right. So we have 32 divided by 8, class. This 32 in the table of 8.
Or I think
8 times 4, Sian, that's right. 8 times 4 equals 32, right? So 32 minus 32, it's 0. So we don't have reminders, so it's 34 the answer. And this 150. Excellent. We have more exercises, class, so you need to complete it by yourself so you continue practicing. I'm going to take the attendance while you continue with the next one. Ana, Andrea, and Camila. No Ana, no Andrea,
Present.
no Camila. Andrea, okay. Gabriela, Isabela, and Kiara.
present.
Present.
Lucía, Mía, and Rebecca.
Present.
Present.
Rosa, Valerie, and Sian.
Present.
Alberto, Dani, and Fernando.
Present. Present.
Dani, Hiron. It's not Dani today? Okay.
Yes.
Hermes, Joshua, and Khaled.
Present.
Marcelo, Santiago Hernandez, and Santiago Chavez.
Present. Present.
Okay.
Please.
Tell me.
Can you retroceder la pantalla in the 5? I don't finish the 5.
Number 5, the answer is 78, reminder 4.
No, I mean 44 minus 40.
What is the answer of 44 minus 40?
4.
4.
4.
Yes, it's 4. And that is a reminder. That 4 is a reminder.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Finish, class. Remember, we have more exercises.
This we are going to continue tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes. Tomorrow we have math. Yes. We have math. Yes. Okay. But you can work by yourself and we check the answers tomorrow. Okay, let's finish here. Remember that you have one homework. What is your homework, class? What is your homework? Do you know what is your homework?
Yes. A worksheet.
It's a worksheet. It looks like this. There are a lot of divisions. You're going to divide, show procedure. So you're going to divide all these exercises. You're going to divide all these exercises in your notebook, or you can print this worksheet and upload it to Schoology. That is your homework. It's already on the Schoology, so you can download it. Okay, let's finish here. Bye-bye.
Please. In the class yesterday on the notebook, we have to upload the notebook.
With the book, it's okay. It's okay. It was just to practice. With the book, it's okay, Gabriela.
I have a question.